Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility, age, citizenship or residency, and required education. Next, create a USPS online account so you can save progress and receive notifications. Once logged in, upload a clear digital ID and prepare a concise resume listing dates and duties. Make sure your contact info matches your ID to avoid delays. This first step speeds later verification. You're ready to search openings and apply once these essentials are in place. Once your account is ready, search jobs by ZIP code, title, or schedule and apply filters for part-time or full-time roles. You will fill out the online application, personal data, detailed work history, and at least one reference. Make sure dates match your resume to avoid inconsistencies. Upload scanned PDF copies of your ID and any certificates. Use clear file names. If a supplemental questionnaire appears, answer concisely and honestly. This determines qualification and ranking in applicant. After reviewing every field and attachment, submit the application and copy the confirmation number for your records. Next, prepare for required assessments such as typing tests or situational judgment exams. Practice similar questions and manage time. Once submitted, regularly check your USPS account and email for scheduling notices and follow-up requests. If verification or a background check stalls, contact HR with your confirmation number. Persistence helps resolve issues, but don't submit duplicate applications for the same position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.